Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson and you're watching Mayan Arab News channel. So today we are going to talk or give you the latest news from GCC countries located in Middle East region. GCC, if in case some of you don't know what is GCC, it stands for Gulf Cooperation Council. So it includes the countries like Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and UAE. So what these countries will be doing? They will be using artificial intelligence in order to fight back coronavirus and stop the spread of this disease. Also, these Middle East and GCC countries have suspended all the flights. Also, they have imposed curfews, but they have not restricted the efforts on the movement of the people in order to reach the business hubs. And also the efforts have been made on the restriction of shutting down the businesses. So now coming back to the artificial intelligence theory, that these countries will be using artificial intelligence in order to fight back the disease. So some sophisticated technologies will be used like speed cameras, drones and robots. Also, first talking about the country like Bahrain, it's a GCC country. So they will be using the application or technology like Beware. It will make the individual alert or aware that you are getting close or the proximity is there to the person who is infected. A total number of cases, positive cases in Bahrain has been reported, that is around 1,671. Now, coming up in another country. Let's talk about the another country. Saudi Arabia has totally locked down and shut down country. Why? Because it has got the highest number of COVID-19 positive cases among the other GCC countries. Saudi Arabia has been reported 5,861. Yes. Then going on to another country, that is Qatar. Total number of positive cases is around 3,371 and the Qatar government will be closely working with Qatar Computing Research Institute. So they will be using the applications like computing and geolocations in order to track down the COVID-19 cases. Now coming on to the last country, that is UAE. They will be using the technology and application like OYUN, which includes the network of cameras. And also Dubai police will be monitoring and checking those residents who are leaving their homes. If in case it is not necessary, please stay back in your home. But if in case it is necessary to reach the business hubs, no restrictions have been imposed. Dubai has been reported as the populated country, densely populated country, and the population is around 3.3 millions. So this was Cynthia Sampson. Keep watching Mayan Arab News channel and we will be coming up with some more interesting English news on this Arab News channel. Thank you so much.